Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up more and more. Is knowing how to use Xero a skill? Now, on the surface, it might seem simple. Xero is accounting software, right? So, is it really a skill to learn how to use it? Or is it just like learning how to use any other piece of software? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. We'll delve into the nuances of Xero, discuss its impact on the modern workplace, and ultimately determine whether proficiency in Xero truly qualifies as a valuable and marketable skill. Let's start with the basics. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software platform that's revolutionizing how businesses manage their finances. From invoicing and bank reconciliations to payroll and inventory tracking, Xero streamlines a wide range of accounting tasks. But here's the thing. Simply knowing how to click buttons in Xero isn't enough. True Xero proficiency goes beyond the surface level. It involves a deep understanding of accounting principles, a keen eye for detail, and the ability to adapt to the ever-evolving features of the software. Explore the skill argument. Think of it this way, driving a car is easy, right? You just need to know how to steer, accelerate, and brake. But is that all there is to it? Of course not. Driving requires a complex interplay of skills. Spatial awareness, understanding the rules of the road, anticipating other drivers' actions, and navigating different environments. Decision-making, making split-second judgments about speed, lane changes, and potential hazards. Problem-solving, handling unexpected situations like traffic jams or mechanical issues. Similarly, using Xero effectively requires accounting knowledge, understanding core accounting principles like debits and credits, journal entries, and the impact of transactions on the financial statements. Analytical skills, identifying and analyzing financial trends, spotting errors, and making informed business decisions based on the data. Problem-solving, troubleshooting software issues, reconciling discrepancies, and adapting to changing business needs. Xero in the modern workplace. In today's digital age, businesses are increasingly reliant on technology. Xero has become an indispensable tool for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Increased efficiency. Xero automates many manual tasks, freeing up valuable time for businesses to focus on growth and innovation. Improved accuracy. By reducing human error, Xero ensures accurate and reliable financial data. Enhanced collaboration. Xero facilitates seamless collaboration between businesses and their accountants, improving communication and streamlining workflows. As a result, the demand for individuals with Xero skills is skyrocketing. Increased job opportunities. Proficiency in Xero can significantly enhance your job prospects in fields like accounting, finance, bookkeeping, and even entrepreneurship. Higher earning potential. Individuals with Xero skills often command higher salaries and enjoy greater career advancement opportunities. Entrepreneurial advantage. Xero empowers entrepreneurs to manage their finances effectively, track their progress, and make informed business decisions. Addressing counterarguments. Now, some might argue that Xero is just software, and anyone can learn to use it with enough time and effort. While it's true that the basic functionalities of Xero are relatively easy to grasp, mastering the software to its full potential requires significant effort and dedication. Think of it like learning a new language. Basic conversational skills. You can learn basic greetings and phrases relatively quickly. Fluency. Achieving fluency requires extensive practice, immersion, and a deep understanding of grammar and cultural nuances. Similarly, using Xero effectively requires a commitment to ongoing learning and development. Staying updated. Xero is constantly evolving with new features and updates. Staying current with these changes is crucial for maintaining proficiency. Continuous learning. Exploring advanced features, seeking out online courses and certifications, and engaging with the Xero community can significantly enhance your skills. So, is Xero a skill? Based on our discussion, the answer is a resounding yes. Proficiency in Xero goes beyond simply knowing how to navigate the software. It encompasses a valuable combination of accounting knowledge, analytical skills, problem-solving abilities, and the ability to adapt to a constantly evolving technological landscape. With that said, Thanks for watching, and until next time.